So, Julie, when it comes to a Bible in my office, this is about as close as it gets, this nice light reading.
Holy moly.
Okay, so this book is just essential as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
It's Special Education Law and Litigation Treatise by Mark Weber. And a treatise, a legal treatise, is basically an analysis of the law surrounding any given topic. And this is obviously the topic of special education law. It is authority, meaning that you can cite to it just like you might for a law review article, but it's not primary authority, meaning it's not the case law, it's not the statute, it's in fact an analysis. Okay? But this is an excellent analysis, and you can look it up almost any topic you could think of in special education. And what you want to do when you order it, if you order it, is you want to make sure you're getting the supplements. And what's great about the supplements, Julie, is what it is you get regularly any additional case law and updates that have come out. So if the law has changed in any way, or a great decision came out, or a bad decision came out, then you can see, okay, this has changed. I need to think about how this might impact this analysis. It's not the kind of reading for the faint of heart. Okay, it's pretty heavy-duty stuff, and mainly attorneys would want to use something like this.
Well, that was going to be my question. That seems like something that, just by the mere size of it, might be appropriate for an attorney or an advocate, but might it also be appropriate for a parent who's feeling a little, what's the word I'm looking for?
Adventurous?
Yes.
It might. I would say that, you have to be cautious about that because, there is a reason you have the training that you have when you become an attorney and being able to understand how to analyze a case and what the impact may or may not be. And I worry, just as I'm sure some other professionals worry about information people can get when they don't necessarily have the background and training to understand it because you may misinterpret it. You may read something and go into a meeting and think that you understand it, and in fact, it may not have the impact in your jurisdiction that it does in the jurisdiction that it was decided in. So I would say yes. It's generally going to be something for a professional like an attorney or an advocate. I do think many parents could benefit from looking at it. It's not cheap. It's it's an investment.
That was the next thing I was going to say.
And the other thing I would say is that when you're looking through it and reading the cases and all of that, there are many parents who are attorneys and they would have the training to understand what the implications are, but they're not a special education attorney. They just are a parent of a child who has a disability or children with disabilities who has the training to understand something like this. But if you're interested in a real advocacy business or you really want to get deep into analysis, this is a wonderful, wonderful investment.
Excellent.